Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remix songs in Udio AI, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Udio tutorials. So first, log into your Udio account and head over to the left sidebar and click on Library. Choose the song that you want to remix. For example, I'm going to select this one. Click on the three dots next to the song on the top right corner and head over to Create and click on Remix. And here you can choose your remix options. You want to cut a specific part from the song and you can add the variance here. You want to make the voice similar or different. You can add an instrumental, add some verses or lyrics here. And when you're done with these, you can also adjust advanced controls here. Options, the style, and the PPM on the prompts 9th and lyrics 10th. And when you're done with this option, you can click on Remix to start creating your remix song for this exact specific song. So, this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide easy and helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.